Hey, welcome everybody to this video. In this video, we're gonna show you how to get started with the website idea. Actually, in order to get started with website idea, first you have a business, and the second step you need to convert this step into an online website. So I have this business called Adel Towing. They don't have any existence on the social media. They have other website called Added Towing. This is a different website from us. And we have also this website, Adel Towing, Kenner, Louisiana. So if you open this website, this is the only existence of this website. They have it on Yelp. So I need to use this information in order to convert this website into, or this business into, an online presence. I need to make it online as a website. So the first step I'm gonna go with is to purchase a domain name for this business. So if I go to greenbackend.com, you can see we have here plans and prices, and you might go here, plans and prices. And from this page, you can see this option, register domain. So I'm gonna click on it and try to find a good match. So if I search for Adel Towing, you can see adeltowing.com is not available. So I might add slash or minus. Okay, so you can see adeltowing.com is already registered with us. Okay, but you have different options. You can see here we have adeltowing.net, .org, .solutions. You can get more. Adeltowing CO. All right, so you might reserve the domain that you want, or you can search for Adeltowing without minus, without hyphen. You can see we have Adeltowing CA. All right, adeltowing.ca.co. So you can purchase this domain by adding it to the cart. You just click on add to cart checkout, then you click on checkout, and then you add DNS, email ID protection, and then you continue with the checkout. Notice here I got an option. If you go move back to the previous page, there's an option here called no hosting. So you might click here on hosting package. So we need to purchase the email service, the DNS, and also we need to purchase the hosting. So I go to WordPress hosting plans, and we have different options. You might go with any of these options. If your business is in the US, you might go with WordPress USA Unlimited. So, or you might go with WordPress Geeko. So you click order now. You're just gonna link the domain with the hosting, click use, and then you just proceed with the settings. You click continue, and you click on checkout. So at the checkout page, you just enter all the information about your business. All right, you click, you add all the information about your business, first name, last name, email address, and you select the payment option and click complete order. You just complete the order, and after that you will proceed forward with your control panel. So you're gonna be able to log in to the control panel and access your website. So this is the first step. I registered the domain adeltowing.com. You can see here adeltowing.com is registered. It's we got WordPress connected to it, so WordPress is installed, and I can access the website directly here. Click on Adel Towing. You can see it's opened, and I can make emails, and also I can activate the SSL certificate, which is the security. So we have like https adeltowing.com. So I can force the https in order to open the website. So anyone can log into the website right now we have the connection is secure, as the certificate is valid. You can see we have HTTPS in the link, and that's really cool. Secure connection. So this is the first step. So once you sign up, once you register with the website, you can always come to the control panel. You have here the WordPress tools, and I can add users like admin. I have just one administrator right now, and also I can go to the WordPress admin. You can see here we have WordPress admin. I can click on it, and of course the first step you need to make is to make an email address. I created an email address called info@adultcowboy.com. I created a password and just saved, and I use this email and password in order to set up the settings for WordPress. So you can see I just used the email and password, just logged into the WordPress admin, as you can see here. So this is the WordPress admin. It's just got the default theme. We got the default content. Nothing fancy there. So this is the first step. We register the domain, we sign up for hosting, and then we logged into the website using the created email and password. And the next step, we're gonna work on the logo. So see you in the next video.